Jicama. I thought maybe while we're waiting for the jicama to cool down for my breakfast that I would try a little of this frostbite. Ellie Mae and Big Bad Brad, they went to Bass Pro Shops a while back, and they saw this and thought of me. But I'll tell you what, it's not thick. It's watery. They say it's frostbite hot sauce. So I just happen to have sliced up some avocado, one of my favorites for putting hot sauce on, testing them out. And this is very ripe avocado. But look how watery this is. I'm afraid to, oh yeah. It's got a, it's like a metal flake. I don't know what that is. No, not that hot. I thought it was going to be hotter. Oh yeah. it has a slow burn. Oh yeah. Let's try a little more. I poured some on, but you don't know, when I got the thickness of some of those other hot sauces, I got the liquidness of this one. All right, no, that's a lot. The whole thing is drenched. It's really good. It's not bad. You can feel the heat, and it's a slow burn. It's not a immediate, like some of those that bring a tear to your eye. It's kind of fruity. Oh, but the longer I go, the more I talk, yeah, it's got to burn. I'm gonna try it straight. Let's try it on a spoon. I can feel the heat, but it's not overwhelming. And it tastes kind of fruity. Oh yeah, it is fruity. I didn't know if the avocado was coming through or if it was a frostbite. It was a frostbite. Oh yeah. Woo. The avocado takes a lot of the heat away. But it's pretty good, I gotta say. Different. Really different. Really different from what I'm used to. The runniness of it, the citrusy flavor. I can't really describe it. It's not a tomatoey flavor, and there's no vinegar flavor. It says shake well, but it says vinegar, water, capsum. And it says warning, shake well, nothing frosty here. But I don't taste the vinegar. It doesn't taste like It doesn't have a vinegary overtone. It's good.
It's amazing what you can do with nothing and a little help.
I made some avocado. Well, it's actually a cookie recipe. Once again, someone sent me this recipe, but it didn't have the amounts. I could attach the recipe to the this video, but it doesn't say. I use 6 avocados. I use about a half a cup of cocoa, pure cocoa. You make a puree and you add, it said egg, but it didn't say how many eggs. And it said avocado, vanilla, it had a whole list of stuff, but no amounts. So I just threw a whole bunch of stuff in a thing, whipped it up, some homemade peanut butter, because I didn't have any. I ran out of peanut butter. So I just ground up my own peanut butter and added about a half a stick of butter to it. I tell you what, it turned out good. I cooked it all in a cast iron skillet in the oven, just because it's so crappy outside. But it would be a good Dutch oven recipe. And instead of making individual cookies, I just made like, it reminded me of brownies. It really did. But you did not taste the avocado in there at all. It's got to be really healthy for you. And I use the allulose sweetener and some stevia, some liquid stevia. It turned out good.
Photograph kicking off a Friday night on Steve Gorman Rocks. It's not only Friday night.
Not quite. I want 125.
Month, April the.
What's known as playing it close to the chest.
That one's done. That one's not. That one's not. Mashed cauliflower. And there's peppers and mushroom and onion and garlic. Yeah, one of my favorites. One of my favorites, mashed cauliflower. Cream cheese. With added mushroom, onion, garlic. I boil it all up, get it real soft, and then I mix it with the mixer. I've done it many times before. Let's try this fried chicken. Oh wow. That's the Hooters. It's not low carb, but that's the Hooters coating on there. And I did add a little salt because Hooters doesn't have salt or any spices in their coating. And it's for the, it's mainly for, well, they advertise it for wings, but you can't hardly find wings now. Yeah, scanner's going off. You can't hardly find wings now, so I'm using thighs.
Adam 101, you're needed for a medical transfer going from Blessing Health Keokuk going to Blessing Health Quincy. I got a medical transfer going from BHK to Blessing Health in Quincy.
Carolina Chris, thanks sir. It's very good, very, very good. And you know darn well, this is going to be Lucy Lou approved. She will get in trouble for chicken. Yeah, she will. Rainy, miserable day. Can you see outside? Yeah. Getting work done. Wind's out of the northeast right now. It's 42 degrees outside, which actually is warmer, but I think it's supposed to get down in the 30s and a chance of snow tonight. Can you believe it? Oh well, that's spring. Just wait a few minutes and it'll change. Then it's supposed to get warm again. That snow won't stick. It'll just pass on by. Thank you. Thanks for watching.